Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best UV-resistant tape is probably one of the most unsung heroes in the world of DIY and professional applications. Whether you're a seasoned contractor or a weekend warrior, you've likely encountered situations where standard tape just doesn't cut it. This tape offers superior resistance to the sun's harsh rays, ensuring longevity and reliability in outdoor environments. Number 5. TREX Clear Repair Tape, 1.88 x 9 yards. This repair tape has an aggressive adhesive that sticks even when the surface is wet. It's perfect for those unexpected leaks or quick fixes. You can rely on it to get the job done. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, this tape can handle any weather. It's also UV resistant, ensuring it lasts and performs well in sunlight. Don't let the cold stop you from making repairs. This tape can be applied even in below freezing temperatures. It's a reliable solution when you need it most. No scissors needed. This tape is hand-tearable, making application quick and easy. It saves you time and effort when you're in a hurry. The waterproof backing ensures water-resistant repairs after application. It provides a strong seal to protect against moisture. This tape is a dependable choice for various repairs. What we like. This tape's ability to adhere to wet surfaces makes it a lifesaver for immediate repairs, even in challenging conditions. If you have a sudden leak or need to fix something in the rain, this is your go-to solution. Its all-weather resistance ensures that it will hold up, no matter the elements. What people say. Use this for about a month to protect a broken headlight while waiting to replace it. The tape is sticky enough that it didn't come off on its own, but it was easy to remove without damaging the paint. I repaired the shelves with the tape and they are certainly stronger than they ever were. I can put jugs of iced tea on them and no problem. Fácil de aplicar y extra fuerte la sujeción. Funciona bien sobre cualquier superficie. Yo la he aplicado sobre plástico, madera y metal, y funciona perfectamente y mantiene la adherencia incluso en el exterior. Number 4. HIPPIE Crafter Resin Tape for Epoxy Molding. Introducing the HIPPIE Crafter Resin Tape, designed for easy epoxy mold release. This tape ensures your projects come out clean, without any messy residue. It's the perfect solution for all your epoxy resin needs. This tape is built to withstand chemicals, high heat, and UV light. It's ideal for crafting and working with professional-grade epoxy. You can trust it for durability and performance. The HIPPIE Crafter Tape is also a thermal tape, capable of withstanding high temperatures. It won't tuck, curl, or melt, even with exposure to heat guns or torches. It's perfect for various crafting applications. This tape is suitable for powder coating and high-temperature applications. It can also be used for photo splicing or as a sheathing tape. The green color makes it easily visible during work. HIPPIE Crafter is a family-owned American small business. They are committed to producing professional-grade art supplies. They also pride themselves on exceptional customer service and are always there to support you. What we like. This tape is designed for epoxy resin projects, offering easy removal without messy residue. If you're an artist or DIY enthusiast working with resin, this tape's heat and UV resistance will ensure your projects are durable and long-lasting. Its high heat resistance also makes it suitable for various crafting applications. What people say. It does exactly what it's meant to do, and more. I keep it on my work table and use it frequently with UV and epoxy resin projects, as well as with polymer clay. Made a fiberglass molding process a breeze in comparison to a wax-based release compound. Can be difficult on large products to remove the dried epoxy in one piece, but comes off cleanly with little to no residue. Number 3. WOD4 Clear Polyethylene Repair Tape. This tape is made with a durable polyethylene film and a strong synthetic rubber adhesive. It offers great adhesion across a wide range of temperatures. The thickness provides excellent tear and abrasion resistance. The flexible material easily adheres to clean, dry surfaces. You don't need any extra tools, just unroll, stick, and cut. It's perfect for quick repairs and sealing. The synthetic rubber adhesive ensures a secure hold, and the tape resists moisture and mild chemicals. It works well in various conditions, making it a reliable choice for many applications. This tape is ideal for a variety of uses, from repairing greenhouses to sealing boat covers. It's also great for surface protection and other general applications. It's a versatile solution for many needs. While the tape is weather resistant, prolonged exposure to direct sunlight or extreme conditions may reduce its effectiveness. For best results, apply it in warm conditions to a clean, dry surface. This will ensure the best adhesion and longevity. What we like. This tape is perfect for sealing and repairing in various environments. If you are looking for a reliable solution for greenhouses, RVs, or marine applications, this tape's waterproof and chemical-resistant properties make it ideal. It's easy to apply and provides a strong, lasting seal. What people say. I used it for my greenhouse repair and it worked effectively. Sticks very well to any smooth surface even in sub-freezing temps. Very strong and effortless to cut with a knife. Perfect for patching holes and seams on my chicken coop plastic. I put the plastic around the chicken run. I used duct tape at first but it didn't hold the seam. Over the duct tape and also with the tape stuck itself very well to wet plastic. Number 2. TapeManBlue Red Stucco Tape, 2x 60 yards. This is a polyethylene film tape designed for construction. It comes in a case of 24 rolls, each 2 inches by 60 yards. The tape is formulated for minimum stretch and removes cleanly for up to 60 days. This allows plenty of time for tasks, protecting surfaces without residue. It easily unwinds and tears by hand, making application simple. This helps you get through your duties more efficiently. The UV-resistant coating makes it weather-resistant and waterproof. It's ready for action, rain or shine. The bright red color ensures no tape is left behind. This helps you leave the work area fully completed, making it look finished. What we like. This tape is designed for construction, offering clean removal and weather resistance. If you're working on a construction project and need a tape that won't leave residue, this is a great choice. The bright red color ensures it's easily visible, helping you achieve a professional finish. What people say. We use this material for window seals during bed bug heat treatments and it worked ideally for the conditions. I have been using the tape for years. I use it to hold up 4mm tarp. It works really well and is less likely to pull off paint with it. This is a great product. I use it daily and sticks to almost any surface without damage to the surface. Number 1. Gorilla All-Weather Duct Tape, Black, 1.88 x 25 yards. This all-weather tape is perfect for outdoor repairs. It's designed to withstand the elements, ensuring your repairs last through any weather. The black duct tape features a weather-resistant shell. This feature helps it endure harsh conditions, providing a reliable seal. This waterproof tape can handle temperatures from 0 degrees Fahrenheit to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Make sure you apply it above 40 degrees Fahrenheit for the best results. This heavy-duty tape has a strong adhesive that resists drying, cracking, and peeling. It's built to withstand sunlight, heat, cold, and moisture. This adhesive tape is a one-stop solution for sealing, repairing, and more. Use it for your car or any other project that requires a strong, reliable hold. What we like. This tape is engineered for extreme conditions, offering a permanent adhesive and weather-resistant shell. If you need a reliable tape for outdoor repairs that can withstand sunlight, heat, cold, and moisture, this is the perfect option. Its versatile nature makes it suitable for various sealing and repair needs. What people say. This tape is so well made and the quality is so magnificent it is waterproof for indoor or outdoor jobs, and the hold on this Gorilla Weather Dutch tape is so strong that nothing will budge after you take what you need to be taped. The quality of this product is like nothing I've ever seen anywhere else. The hold is magnificent, nothing budges after you use this Gorilla all-weather duct tape. I used a combination of screws and this tape 3 months ago. It went through a summer where most days are hotter than 100 degrees and it is parked outside. I've bottomed the molding out hard a few times. It still feels solid and the black color has barely faded. Strong tape that holds even in bad weather. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.